Good morning, my baby.
Morning is broken.
Broken? Who broke it?
The sun too bright. My eyes hurt.
Oh no. Want some milk?
No milk. Milk is boring. I want juice.
Juice later, milk first.
No, milk is for cows. I'm a baby, not a cow.
Okay, then no milk, no cartoons.
What? You can't do that. That's not fair.
Who taught you that?
Daddy said that when you took his phone.
Eat your banana, baby.
No banana. It smells like a monkey.
Monkeys are strong and smart.
I'm already strong. Look.
Wow, so strong. Then eat one bite of banana for more power.
Okay, small bite.
That's too small.
I'm a baby ninja. I eat invisible food.
Morning, champ.
Morning, lazy.
Baby, don't call Daddy lazy.
But he is. He snores like a tractor.
That's not true.
Okay, enough. Let's eat.
Daddy, eat banana too. We're a monkey family.
I'll eat if you eat. Deal?
Deal, but I want chocolate after.
Only a small piece.
No small, big. I'm growing, Daddy.
You'll turn into a chocolate monster.
Yes, rawr, chocolate monster attack.
My funny little monster. I love you.
Love you too, Mommy, but I still want chocolate.
Okay, one chocolate. One kiss first.
Done. Now give me chocolate. Bye-bye, everyone. Don't forget to brush your teeth after chocolate. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.